Have you ever wondered how these little bottles of essential oils are made? From calming lavender to zesty citrus scents, essential oils have become a staple in many households around the world. But have you ever stopped to think about the meticulous process behind their production? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of essential oil extraction to uncover the secrets behind these aromatic wonders. Welcome to my channel, where I will answer the question, how are essential oils made? Essential oils are derived from various plant materials, each with its own unique properties and benefits. But the journey from plant to bottle is not as simple as it may seem. Let's unravel the complexities of essential oil extraction and explore the methods used to ensure purity and quality. Distillation lies at the heart of essential oil extraction, with different methods yielding varying results. The fundamental principle of distillation involves separating a substance into its constituent parts based on their boiling points or volatility. This process requires meticulous control of time, temperature, and pressure to preserve the delicate chemical profiles of the oils. Let's start with simple distillation. This process is rudimentary, but it provides a basic understanding of the process. However, it's not suitable for high-quality essential oil production due to its limitations. In simple distillation, a liquid is heated until it vaporizes, with the vapor condensed back into a liquid. While this method is straightforward, it lacks the precision needed to extract pure essential oils. Enter steam distillation, the gold standard in essential oil extraction. This method utilizes a pressurized system to distill oils at temperatures below their normal boiling points, preserving their integrity. By carefully controlling temperature and pressure, steam distillation ensures the purity and potency of the final product. This meticulous process may take hours or even days, but the results are worth the wait. For oils derived from citrus fruits, such as lemon and orange, steam distillation isn't suitable due to the risk of structure damage of the aromatic compounds. Instead, cold pressing is used to extract oils from the fruit's outermost layer. This labor-intensive process involves rasping the peel, followed by centrifugation to separate the pure essential oil from that fruit's flesh. The result? Potent, fragrant oils that retain their natural properties. In cases where traditional distillation methods aren't feasible, solvent extraction offers an alternative. This method utilizes food-grade solvents like hexane and ethanol to isolate oils from plant materials. While solvent extraction produces fine fragrances, it's often used for materials with low oil yield or delicate aromatics. The extracted oils undergo further processing to remove residual solvents, ensuring their safety and purity. From steam distillation to cold pressing, the production of essential oil is a blend of science and artistry. Each method is tailored to the unique characteristics of the plant material, ensuring the highest quality oils for consumers worldwide. So the next time you inhale the soothing scent of lavender or the invigorating aroma of citrus, remember the intricate process behind these aromatic treasures. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of essential oils. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.